In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Notion with Microsoft Outlook. By the end, you'll know how to connect Outlook to Notion's AI on an enterprise plan, automatically turn incoming emails into Notion database items using Zapier, and embed a live Outlook calendar on a Notion page. If you're on Notion's enterprise plan, you can use the Microsoft Outlook AI connector to search and reference Outlook data right inside Notion. In Notion, open Settings, go to Notion AI, find Outlook, and click the plus icon to connect your Microsoft account. When prompted, grant the permission so Notion AI can index your Outlook content. This lets your emails and calendar events become searchable and usable inside Notion AI features. Indexing may take a few minutes, especially for larger inboxes, and it follows your organization's security settings. You can always review or revoke permissions later from your account settings. Next, if you want to automate emails and tasks, you can send Outlook emails directly into a Notion database using Zapier. In Zapier, create a new SAP and set Microsoft Outlook as the trigger, for example, new email, then sign into your Outlook account. For the action, choose Notion and select an action like Create Database Item, then sign into Notion. You'll map Outlook fields such as subject, body, and sender to your Notion database properties. For best results, prepare your database with properties that match what you plan to capture, like a title for the subject, a rich text field for the body, and maybe a person or select field for status. Follow the on-screen instructions and run a test to confirm that a new email creates the item you expect. If your inbox is busy, consider refining your trigger in Zapier to only run on certain folders or criteria so you don't flood your database. Finally, let's embed your Outlook calendar in Notion without any automation. In Outlook on the web, go to Settings, select View All Outlook Settings, then Calendar, Shared Calendars, and choose the Publish a Calendar option. Set permissions to Can View All Details and copy the generated HTML unique URL. In Notion, open the page where you want the calendar, type /embed, paste the URL, and click Embed Link. You'll see a live, read-only view of your calendar. If your organization restricts publishing, you may need admin approval, and if you change permissions later, refresh the Notion page to update the embed. That's it. You integrate Notion with Microsoft Outlook. Thanks for watching.